heavy on features, light on price. Here is the Apple's SE, the new edition watch in 2020. Everything you love about next gen of smartwatch with new sensor, new insights, tracks, elevation, changes, activity sharing, activity rings, music and podcasts, phone and message. Guys, are you excited? Let's reveal and unbox the new watch with the SE edition. Let's go. The back look of the Apple box is very classy and quite interesting. You can see the details on the box with the opener also. So let's unbox now the Apple Watch SE edition. So this is a nice classy look with a pure white, and there is a layer with a transparent sheet. You can see it there. So, and here are the details about the box. The name and address of the manufacturer is Apple Company and Co, and the retail price you can see there, it is 36,900. It means 100 rupees less than 37k. So yeah, you can see there the Apple space gray aluminum case black sport band with a 44 mm. We can see 40 mm also. So here are the details about the Apple Watch band, the power adapter, etc. All the features are given here with the iOS 14 update also, and these are the markable price details. So here is a small sticker where we have to open there. So let's open the box nicely with a clean strip. Now we are going to unbox the glossy watch. Let's unbox. Yeah, okay, turn around. Yeah, already he has given the unboxing kit also. Generally we cut the paper, etc. You can see the rate which I have bought for. The price is 33,422. Actually this is a cellular with GPS also. GPS is less than the cellular rate. I have pre-booked the watch before its launch also, so I have got for a cheap price. But now you can get it for 35,999, which means 36,000, and you can have any great deals in this savings day, big billion days. So now we have to open the box. It's very nice. Just you have to remove the strip with a perfect engineering plan with the measurements of the box. Yeah, I said no, the transparent cover has to be removed slowly, and yeah, now I removed just 1 minute with the sticker. Yeah, now let's open. Oh wow, those are not the stickers, these are just the images of the watch with a different type of color strip bands. Those strip bands are called as a single loop, means it will not contain the band pin holes etc. pin. So this is our strip band down, and up is the watch. Let's keep it the box aside, and here you can see the variety bands. Now let's close it for a while, and we will go with the other watch. It's very nice, and the quality of the paper is also quite interesting. Now let's open this box. Now wait, let's keep it aside. First I want to go with the strip also, because at last we will open the watch. Yeah, it has a nice details as we saw at the back of the box. So let's keep it aside. Yeah, so you can read those. Those are my price details. you can't scan the QR code, right? Yeah, let's open the now strip box, right? The Apple Watch, you can see there the language itself, it says that it is just made in California but just assembled in China. It means it is not made in China, just the factory which has to assemble the parts, which means the Apple parts are made in are assembled in China, but the original watch is from the California. I mean the state where the captain arrives. And the one thing I forgot, that the strip is so nice. You can remove this so easily, and there is a California language also on the box, you can see that. And there are types of bands, sport band, something written on that. Let's keep it aside and we will unbox the strip now. Yeah, now it is nice. The back, the paper is about to fill, so it's already fall. Okay, those are the terms and conditions of the strip and its quality. And we don't need this, I think those are something other. And this comes our strip. Yeah, these are the instructions how the strip should be attached to the watch with a perfect shape and size and correct measurements. There is 2 strips for the children and for adult. Based on the size now, our hand will be somewhat regular or irregular size if the band is not flexible, but you can adjust with those fittings in those holes. Now let's take these all strips. It is very soft. Yeah, it is so nice that if you touch that, you can feel the smooth effect. It's very soft and it is like touching a smooth product with a cotton, like very flexible and nice. So it is also, but this is something big one which I think it will suit for me. Yeah, it is nice look, and I think these are strong strips compared to that. And now let's go into the other strip, which is the main important strip. Let's remove this very slowly. Yeah, it has come. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, here the label is, I think it is like a fingerprint sensor, but yeah, it is not, but nice. If you press that, the hole, that will be penetrate into the holes and it can be adjustable in that holes. So this is the main strip where you have to connect to the watch. Let's wait for a while. Let's close this box. Yeah, the height, you can see that. So yeah, nothing is inside about the strip, and let's close this box now. Just we'll keep it aside. Yeah, with the paper I kept. Now it's time for the main SE watch to unbox. Let's unbox this. It's very light in weight. You can see the price tags and features upon that. So there are many features compared to the latest version, Series 6, Series 5, etc. Yeah, the cardboard is very quality and designed in Apple in California. As I said, this is made in California and assembled in China. Yeah, you can see the charging cable where it is attachable and the regulations to assemble the watch, how to open step by step. Yeah, there is a strip make and the side of the watch with a crown, and the third step is turning the watch on, and the last step is to on the charging port with the back. There is some details about the screen, watch face, and the digital crown. Yeah, do you know what do you mean by the digital crown? Yeah, let's talk about that when we unbox the watch. Yeah, these are the steps you can see there. You can go through the slide button, you can rotate it and it will work as a button also, and down there is a small pin hole, it works as a mic, and down there is other button where you can press, you can slide it, you can power off, and iOS, I mean the emergency also works with that button. So let's keep this paper, terms and conditions paper aside, and the last one is a warranty card, which is a very low quality. If we tear, it will tear simply. Yeah, but we can store the warranty in the online also. In our watch it will be there present, so we can keep this aside. You can see the charging strip, which is very portable, and let's open this. See what is in the charging cable. I wanna open now this. Yes, yeah, I open now. There will be a magnet type small port slot. Yeah, you can see there the white slot. It is a magnetic type which attracts the watch and gives us wireless charging to the watch also. You all are aware of this. So let's keep as it is back and let's go to the watch now. It's a watch time. It is not fitting. We can unbox anything easily, but we can't do the packing of the box now. It is very tough. As it is to the back, I am just closing it for my satisfaction, but I don't want to waste the time. Okay, it is not fitting. Yeah, okay. Now you can see there the stylish pure black with the AMOLED display watch. Now I am going to tell you the exact features of the watch, which you will be definitely amazed. See, it is very glossy, very nice. The quality, you can see that is highly intense. Yeah, I said now the crown. Let's talk about the crown. See, that's the crown, and the red label is given, I mean the red tag, the small red strip, because we can see that this is purely made of Apple, and the top end, it means the strip is more important to the watch. It like that the red tag is given to that crown. And now let's slowly open that. Okay, the charging. Okay, let's see the features. What are the features? Let's once see the features of this. Yeah, I will unbox it. You can see that. Now I'm gonna tell you the exact features of this. GPS plus cellular model lets you call, text and get directions with your phone. Large retina OLED display, up to 2x faster processor than Series 3, means it is greater than the Series 3 watch. Track your daily activity on Apple Watch and see your trends in fitness app on iPhone. Yeah, you can see here. Measure workouts like running, walking, cycling, yoga, swimming and dance. Swim proof design. High and low heart rate notifications and irregular heart rhythm notification. Yeah, here comes this. Sign and stream music, podcasts and audiobooks. Pay instantly and securely from your wrist with Apple Pay. Payments are also done with this Apple Pay. Set up an Apple Watch for your family members who don't have an iPhone using with the family setup. Built-in compass and real-time elevation readings can detect if you take a hard fall, then automatically call emergency services for you. Emergency SOS lets you get help from your wrist. International emergency calling from your watch. I mean, you can't get what I am saying, so I'll slow that. Watch OS 7 with the sleep tracking, cycling directions, updates with Siri, and new customizable watch faces. 100% recycled aluminum cases available in 3 finishes. Yeah, these are the exciting features we can get, and we are up to the unbox. Let's see the next. Up to now we have discussed about the exciting and premier features about this watch, and now we are in the setup mode of this watch. So let's change the language into the English of Indian version, and let's go down for and searching. You can scroll with the Chrome also, but for the touch sensitivity I am showing you results. I am showing this. Yeah, I got the India. Now we are able to change the language. English of Indian. Yeah, we are now into the setup mode of an Apple Watch, where we should connect the iPhone or an Apple phone with the watch by connecting or by placing nearby both. So I want to show the setup mode in the other video, so you can look the graphics in the watch with the OLED AMOLED display. It is very bright and crystal clear display, so it is so convincing. The look is very bright and nice, cool. So now I wanna switch off, so you can see there the emergency and the power off. Just slide as the, yeah, you got it. Same like an Apple Watch, it means the name cellular itself defines that. So the strip installation is being done, so just go through that in the curve, just install that. According to the survey outside, the strip installation of an Apple Watch is very difficult, it seems to be, but this is very cool and simple. Let's watch it again, and I wanna give a review about this special strips for an Apple Watch, which is a pure glossy black. And now I wanna say how to install the strip. Just turn back with the crown to the left side and take the long strip which suitables to your hand or your wrist. See, this suits to me, so now I will take this and I will install to the, this is very small, literally I can't use that, and it is not flexible, and the holes are also not adjustable to me, so I will go with the long one. Just curve the strip, I mean some little curve it will be. Just see the front back side, and you go with the backside Apple Watch and just push into it. The automatically buttons will get attracted into it because those are the magnets, and you can easily take it down also. Let's try that also. You can see that button there, just press it is yeah, just little yeah, you press and pull it back, the strip is easily came. Yeah, same in that way you have to use the other strip also. Let's see that one. While you have to be in a cool mood while you have stripping this, or else the button may cross the strip. It means that it may become like loose or something like moving. You can see the movement. You have to place very nicely. And now let's see the watch to our wrist. Just insert from upwards and the strip should go to down. As I am using with the two hands, it is little tough to install myself to my watch, to my wrist. So to the fifth hole it is very adjustable. Now I just pushed into the hole with a convenient. Now I have to push into that, and you can have a doubt that is it flexible and it may just bend like a data cable of an watch, but there is no confusion in this. It is perfectly flexible and very comfortable. This watch is very worth. This is very excellent. I love this product. Thank you. Please subscribe and like.